Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to divide 23 by 4, that is 23 divided by 4. Okay, if I use sign, then I have to write like this: 23 division 4, right? Okay, let me say something to you. What do you mean by this division? Look at here. Division means the process of making group, right? This division means process of making group. Okay, in here, look at here. Here 23 is dividend and 4 is divisor, right? And here we'll write quotient. So this is divisor. Look at here. What do we mean by divisor? Divisor means the member of a group. Division means the process of making group, and divisor means the member of a group. Since here the divisor is 4, so the member of a group will be 4, right? And here we have to write quotient. What do you mean by quotient? Look at here. Quotient means the number of groups you can make. That is, by using these 23 members, how many group you can make, right? And the member of a group will be 4, right? So quotient means the number of groups. Look at here. Let's say, and dividend, this is a dividend. Dividend means the total members, right? However, look at here. Here, let's say you have 23 friends, right? So 23 friends. So every dot represent your one friend. So we have here 4 friends, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then look at here. 12, 16, 20, then 24, right? Look at here. If you want to make group taking 4 at a time, look at here, you can make 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group, right? And you will have 3 left, right? Because you don't have here 4. Look at here. So you can make maximum 5 group, right? And if you make 5 group, then you will use 4. Each group has 4 members, so 5 group will have 20, right? If you want to make 5 group, then you have to use 20 members, right? Look at here. You have to multiply quotient times divisor, then you will get the used members to make 5 group, right? So now you have to deduct. If you subtract, then you will get 3. That is, you are getting 5 group and you will have 3 remainder, right? So this is the answer. The answer is 5 remainder 3. Okay, if you want to express 23 by 4 as a mixed number, then you have to take this 5, that is the quotient, then you have to take the remainder. Here remainder is 3 divided by divisor. That is, if you divide 23 by 4, you will get this, or 5 remainder 3. You can write two things, right? So divisor means the member of a group, and dividend means the total members, and quotient means the number of group you can form. If you think like this, I think that you will do well in division. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.